Hi, everyone! A huge, warm, and absolutely electric welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I am Emma, and today we are going to debunk a massive lie that has been told to English learners for decades. The lie is this: if you want to sound advanced, you need to learn 10,000 fancy words.
And I am Sam, the guy who has been carrying a heavy dictionary in his pocket for 6 months and still feels like a malfunctioning robot when I talk.
Sam, please, put that dictionary down. It's hurting your back, it's hurting your confidence, and honestly, it's not helping your English.
But Emma, I want to sound sophisticated. I see people in movies and they don't use big words like exacerbate or phenomenon every 5 seconds. They just flow. Their English sounds like a river. My English sounds like a pile of bricks falling off a truck. One word, clunk, then another word, clunk.
That's because you are focusing on content words, but you are completely ignoring the silent vocabulary.
Silent vocabulary? Emma, if it's silent, how on earth is it going to help me talk?
It's the music between the words, Sam. It's the small sounds, the rhythm, the contractions, and the social fillers that native speakers use as glue. If you have 1,000 bricks but no glue, you don't have a house, you just have a mess.
I need that glue. My house is falling down and the neighbors are complaining.
Today, we are going to show you how to take the 1,000 words you already know and make them sound like 10,000 through the power of the silent vocabulary.
This sounds like linguistic magic. I am ready to be a magician. But first, guys, if you have a big vocabulary but you still feel stiff or robotic when you open your mouth, if you want to know the secrets of the native speaker flow that they don't teach in textbooks, it would be so incredibly kind of you to hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, it truly would. We are building a global family here. We want to move you from translating to feeling the language. It would be an absolute honor to have you join us.
And if you want to help me retire my dictionary and finally feel free, please give us a like. Every like tells YouTube that this family is growing.
Okay, Sam, let's look at the first secret of the silent vocabulary. Step 1, the filler bridge.
Oh, I know this. My teacher in high school used to yell at me for saying and She said it makes me look like I didn't study.
Your teacher was right for a formal presentation or a graduation speech, but for a real-life conversation, she was totally wrong.
Really? Why?
Native speakers use fillers like, well, actually, you know, I mean, and to be honest, as thinking time.
So instead of a dead silence, I use a filler.
Exactly. Silence is scary in a conversation. If you are silent for 3 seconds, the other person thinks you have forgotten the English language. But if you use a filler bridge, you signal that you are still connected to the conversation.
Give me an example. I want to hear the difference.
Okay, imagine I ask you, what do you think of the new Batman movie? Option A, the student. Silence. It was okay. I liked it. Option B, the native flow. Well, I mean, you know, to be honest, it was actually pretty good.
Sam, version B sounded 500% more natural, but I didn't use any new smart words. I just used well and I mean.
That is the magic of the filler bridge. It gives your brain a microsecond to find the next word without breaking the sound. It's like a singer taking a quick breath between notes.
I feel so much less pressure now. I can well my way through a difficult sentence.
Just don't use it every 3 words or you'll sound like a confused teenager. Step 2, the contraction secret.
I know what these are. I'm, your, wheel. My teacher said they are for lazy people.
Your teacher again. In English, we are not being lazy, we are being rhythmic. English is a stress-timed language. We push the unimportant words together so we can highlight the important ones.
So if I say, I do not know, it sounds weird.
It sounds like you are a robot from a 1970s sci-fi movie. Native speakers almost always say, I don't know. Or if they are really flowing, they say, I don't know.
I don't know. That feels so satisfying to say.
Try more. I'm gonna. I wanna. I shoulda. If you want to sound native, you have to let your words touch each other. Don't keep them in separate boxes. Let them meld together.
I've been treating my words like they're in a library, where they have to be quiet and separate. It's time for my words to go to a music festival.
Let them dance, Sam. Step 3. Intonation is the secret language.
Wait, I thought the words were the language.
In English, how you say a word is often more important than the word itself. We use pitch and stress to change the meaning of a sentence without changing a single letter.
Wait, how is that possible? Show me.
Okay, take this simple sentence. I didn't say she stole your money. Now, watch me change the meaning 6 times just by moving the stress. I didn't say she stole your money. Someone else said it, not me. I didn't say she stole your money. I am denying it strongly. I didn't say she stole your money. I think someone else stole it. I didn't say she stole your money. Maybe she borrowed it. I didn't say she stole your money. Maybe she stole your watch.
Sam, that is incredible. The exact same 7 words, but 6 completely different stories.
That is the silent vocabulary. If you speak in a flat robot tone, people will understand your words, but they won't feel your intent. You have to use your voice like a piano. High notes, low notes, soft notes, loud notes.
I need to stop being a one-note speaker and start being a symphony.
Step 4. Phrasal verb magic.
Oh no, not phrasal verbs. Every time I see a list of them, I want to cry. There are thousands. Put up, put off, put in, put out. It never ends.
Sam, stop trying to memorize lists. That's the wrong way to do it. Just learn the big 5. Get, go, put, take, look. Native speakers use phrasal verbs 80% of the time in casual conversation. If you use the fancy Latin words, you sound like a textbook.
Give me an example. What's a textbook word versus a native word?
Instead of saying, I need to extinguish the light, say, I need to put out the light. Instead of saying, we must postpone the meeting, say, we should put off the meeting. Instead of saying, I cannot tolerate this noise, say, I can't put up with this noise.
Wow, postpone sounds like a business meeting with a tie. Put off sounds like 2 friends talking in the kitchen.
Exactly. Phrasal verbs are the casual clothes of English. If you wear a tuxedo to a BBQ, you look weird. If you use only fancy words in a casual chat, you look weird too.
I am putting on my linguistic jeans right now. I feel much more comfortable.
Step 5, the power of so and jest.
But Emma, those are tiny words. I learned them in my first week of English. How can they be advanced?
They are emotional intensifiers. In English, we use them to show softness or strength. I'm tired is a fact. I'm so tired is a feeling. I want to ask you a question is direct and a bit scary. I just wanted to ask you a question is soft, polite, and friendly.
I'm so happy that I just learned this.
Exactly. You use them perfectly. They add flavor to your sentences. Without them, your English is like a meal with no salt.
I'm a flavor master now.
Now, let's check in with our amazing global community.
Yes, friends, we have a very important mission for you.
We want you to go to the comments right now.
Try to write a sentence that uses at least one filler, like well or actually, and one contraction, like I'm or gonna.
For example, well, actually, I'm gonna practice my English every day.
It would be so incredibly kind of you to show us your native flow in the comments.
We are going to read them and give you a virtual high five.
I love seeing the comments. It makes me feel like I'm not alone in this.
You are never alone, Sam. Okay, let's go even deeper. Step 6, active listening noises.
Noises like a car horn? Beep, beep.
No, Sam. Uh-huh, right, totally. Oh, wow. No way. For sure. In many cultures, being silent while someone else talks is a sign of respect. But in English culture, if you are silent for more than 10 seconds, I think the phone line is dead or you have fallen asleep.
So I have to make sounds to prove I am still alive?
Yes, it's called back channeling. It's the most important part of fluent connection. It shows the speaker that you are moving with them.
Totally. Right. Oh, for sure, Emma.
Perfect. You are now a master listener. When you back channel, the other person feels comfortable. And when they feel comfortable, you feel comfortable. And that is when the fluency magic happens.
Emma, I feel like I just found the missing pieces of a giant puzzle. I don't need to buy a bigger dictionary. I just need to use the words I have with more music and more glue.
I am so proud of you, Sam. You've come such a long way today.
Let's do a massive, final, ultra recap of the silent vocabulary.
Recap time. The 6 secrets to sounding native without opening a dictionary.
Step 1.
The filler bridge. Use well and actually to buy thinking time and keep the sound going.
Step 2.
The contraction secret. Let your words melt together. Say, I'm gonna instead of I am going to.
Step 3.
Intonation. Use your voice like a piano to change the meaning and the emotion.
Step 4.
Phrasal verb magic. Use go on and put off for that friendly, casual vibe.
Step 5.
The flavor words. Use so and just to add salt and pepper to your sentences.
Step 6.
Active listening noises. Show the world you are alive and listening with uh-huh and totally. Sam, you are officially a flow master.
And you, Emma, are the queen of the silent vocabulary.
I will accept that crown with honor.
Thank you so much for joining us for this 18-minute masterclass. We hope your English feels more like a beautiful song today.
If you enjoyed our linguistic symphony, it would be so incredibly kind of you to subscribe and join the family.
And please share this with one friend who is still struggling with a heavy dictionary.
Stay happy,
Stay curious.
and please let your words have a party today.
Until next time.
Bye for now. Goodbye, everyone.